It is a normal day.
The air feels different.
The sky is changing.
Wait, look up.
Look, it is rain.
Don't worry, it is okay.
I really like this.
Wow, it feels wet. I am not scared anymore. I can jump a little. Actually, this is fun.
All right, I will join you.
See, you are okay.
Look, I can run here.
Wow, the rain is fun. Look, they are outside too.
Now we watch together.
Hello, we are glad to see you.
We're playing near here.
You see, we are all here.
You know, the rain brings us together. We can stay here. We can stay here a little longer.
Ah, the air feels so clean.
Finally, I am quiet now.
And now, we are together.
Yes, Mom, I know.
Let's go inside.